about the letter K today.
That's exciting.
Okay, girls, tell which letter starts with K.
K.
Mama, that's right. Mama, it's not your day. And next time we were around about the letter L.
Oh.
Tomorrow, it's almost Halloween. This plant isn't dried because this map helps us Korea, sun, yes.
Wait, what's this?
That's Korea
Korea?
and England and our house.
Oh.
Because today, we're talking about the letter K.
K is for Korea.
K for Korea.
That is
definitely.
smart.
K for Korea. And this Korea. And
What do you know about Korea?
Korea is where my uncle is.
Mm-hmm.
And Will lives in Korea too.
Well, Will is your uncle.
And these cards look matching, but they are plants. And these cards don't match because they're different colors. But these match because this paper is Korea.
It's Korea, huh?
I see.
Do you know what else starts with K? Kimchi. Kimchi is what they eat in Korea.
Keeping cheese.
Kimchi.
Kimchi.
Uh-huh. Do you like kimchi?
Yes.
A little bit spicy for you.
The problem is we are extra large.
We're what?
We're extra large because we are the teachers. He's the boy teacher and I'm the girl teacher. And we are the dancers. I help my kids to learn dance. I help them twirl our toes and our feet and our heels. And there we go.